Hey, Rob here for Quadratec.com. Today we're going to be talking about paint care for your Jeep vehicle. Of course, maintaining your vehicle's paint finish is not only going to keep it looking great so you can be proud of the vehicle that you're driving around in, it's also going to make it much easier to clean and maintain your vehicle, especially after those really dirty off-road trips, when you've got a good quality protection on top of the painted and exterior surfaces of your vehicle. Now, before I dive into today's video, if you haven't already and you like these, do me a huge favor, go ahead and hit that thumbs up button. Of course, don't forget to hit that subscribe button as well as the notification icon so be sure to catch all of our latest videos. Now, there are a number of different types of coatings available to you to choose, ranging from more traditional wax finishes to newer and more modern ceramic type coatings to protect the paint on your vehicle. Ceramic coatings have been gaining in popularity over the past few years, and if you're not already familiar with them, basically a ceramic coating leaves behind an extremely hard and durable, ultra-hydrophobic coating on the exterior surfaces of your vehicle that's going to cause water to immediately bead up and run off the surface, carrying along any dirt and debris with it. It's also going to leave a very easy to clean surface behind. That hydrophobic coating is going to help make it very easy to release bugs and road grime from the front of your vehicle, as well as any mud or other debris that may collect down the side of your vehicle, especially if you're traveling off-road. Professional ceramic coatings are a very good option, however, they're also very costly, and that's because most professional ceramic coatings are going to require your vehicle's paint to be in perfect condition before that coating can be applied. And of course, depending on the size of your vehicle, whether you've got a big Gladiator or maybe a small two-door Wrangler, that's also going to change the price that you're going to pay to a professional detailer. So that could drive the price sometimes from the hundreds all the way up into the thousands of dollars for a professional ceramic coating. That's why today we're going to be taking a look at Mothers' line of CMX ceramic coatings, polishes, and cleaners that have been designed to be very user-friendly and affordable so that you can apply them right at home in your own garage or driveway to your vehicle without any specialized equipment or previous experience at applying other ceramic coatings. You can be sure you're going to get a very durable, long-lasting, and great-looking finish with Mothers' line of CMX ceramic coatings. Now, just with any type of coating you're going to be applying to your vehicle, you're going to get the best results when you start with a well-maintained paint finish. And that means one that's going to be free of previous waxes, dirt, grease, and oils. So the first two products in the CMX lineup of products that we're checking out are designed to do just that. The CMX Surface Prep is a biodegradable, pH-neutral degreaser that's designed to quickly and easily remove stubborn waxes and oils from your paint, and it's easily used by simply spraying it onto your vehicle's surface, wiping away those contaminants with a microfiber towel. It quickly flashes off, leaving behind a residue-free surface that's both anti-static and dust-resistant, and it's ready to be top-coated. Now, the next product in the lineup is the CMX Ceramic 3-in-1 Polish and Coat. This is a great polish to use if you need to remove some minor imperfections from the paint on your vehicle, like maybe some light swirl marks or small scratches. And it also leaves behind an acrylic silicon dioxide primer coat that's going to help to promote the adhesion of our next product, the Mothers CMX Ceramic Spray Coating. Now, as I mentioned a little bit earlier, most professional ceramic coatings can be a bit challenging to apply. Well, Mothers designed their line of CMX coatings to be very user-friendly and easy so that you can get great results right at home in your own driveway or garage. It's going to make it very easy to clean and maintain at every car wash. Now, speaking of your washes, Mothers has you covered at your car wash with their CMX Ceramic Wash and Coat. Again, this is a biodegradable, pH-neutral, highly efficient, low-sudsing car wash that's designed to lift and suspend contaminants away from your vehicle's surface, allowing you to easily wash and rinse them away, leaving behind a clean, streak-free, spot-free surface. And it's going to help to boost your existing ceramic coating, giving it that just coated, rich, deep, glossy, wet look every time you wash your car. Now, our Gladiator here in the shop is pretty new, so all of our black plastic trim and fenders still look like they're in really good shape. Or if your Jeep's getting to be a few years older and your black plastic trims has started to fade and turn chalky and gray, well, Mothers has a product there for you as well. Their CMX Ceramic Trim Restore and Coat, and it's going to help to restore that rich, deep black look to your trim pieces on your Jeep, while also adding a protective acrylic silicon dioxide layer on top, giving you that very hydrophobic coating that's going to help to shed water, dirt, and debris away and keep those trim pieces looking great. Now, why don't we go ahead and get started working with the hood of our Gladiator here so I can show you just how easy it is to apply the series of CMX coatings. I've already started by going ahead and washing our Gladiator with a regular car wash soap. I didn't bother using the CMX Ceramic Wash Coat because I didn't want to add any layer of coating onto the Jeep for this initial coating of our CMX ceramic coating. So we go ahead and get started by grabbing our Surface Prep, and we can mist that across the surface of the hood, and using a microfiber towel, we're just going to go ahead and wipe off, make sure we've got all of those contaminants removed from the surface of our vehicle. I can already see just how quickly that Surface Prep is flashing off, so that I know I've got a very clean, contaminant-free surface so we can move on to the next step in the process. Now, before I use the 3-in-1 polish and coat, I'm going to go ahead and apply a tape line down the center of the hood of our Gladiator so that we can compare the results between a coated surface and an uncoated surface. Now, at this point, we're ready for the 3-in-1 polish and coat. I'll be working with a microfiber applicator. You could also use this with a dual action polisher if you have one, but hand application is going to work just fine for our application. Just apply a small amount, and then I'll just work my way in small sections to cover this entire passenger side of the hood. Again, I'm going to use a clean microfiber towel to wipe away the residue from the polish and coat. All right, at this step, we're ready to go ahead and begin applying our CMX Ceramic Spray Coating. Now again, you don't want to mist this directly onto the painted surface of your vehicle. You want to apply the ceramic spray coating to a microfiber applicator or a microfiber towel, and then wipe it across the surface of the vehicle. So to do this, we're going to lightly mist our applicator. And then we're just going to wipe across the surface of our hood. You don't need to apply a lot of pressure. And as we're applying it, you'll actually start to see the ceramic spray coating start to almost disappear from the surface. And when you're applying this, you want to work in small sections. So I've got a manageable area here on the hood of our Gladiator. You want to work in sections that you can maintain so that you can apply it, give it a few minutes to bond with the coating, and then come back and buff it away. Now when you're coating, if you miss any areas, you can simply come back and recoat with another application. You can also stack the layers of the ceramic coating on the painted surface to give you some additional gloss and depth, as well as an added layer of durability and protection. You'll just want to give 24 hours of cure time before you add a second coating to allow that to fully bond with the painted surface for the best level of adhesion. All right, so now that we've given that CMX ceramic spray coating a few minutes to cure and bond to the painted surface of our Jeep, we're going to go ahead and grab a clean microfiber towel. Now this is where it's very beneficial, as you can see, to have a number of microfiber towels on hand, especially if you're going to be coating your entire vehicle. Not only is it going to make your job that much easier, but you're going to get much better results if you're using separate towels and applicators, using one as your wet towel or wet applicator to apply the coating, and then using a second dry towel to buff away the coating. I also like to fold my towels in quarters so that I can have multiple surface areas of the towel that I can fold between, so that I'm always cleaning off the surface of the vehicle with a nice, fresh, clean area of the microfiber towel. And I can tell you that applying this CMX spray coating is far easier than I've had with more traditional wax coatings. It's not taking very much effort to wipe away or buff off this spray coating. It was very easy to apply as well. And I can already see the difference between the uncoated side of our hood and the coated side here. We've got a very rich, deep, wet look to the coating here on the hood of our Gladiator. So with that being said, why don't we go ahead, get our tape removed, pull our Gladiator outside, and we can check out that hydrophobic coating and see the difference it makes between the coated passenger side and the uncoated driver's side here on our hood. Wow, you can see just how well that Mothers CMX Ceramic Spray Coating is working here on the hood of our Gladiator. It's immediately apparent at which side of the hood is coated, and that ultra hydrophobic coating there is causing the water droplets to bead right up and run off the surface of our paint. Now, if you guys want to get more information or to purchase any one of the lineup of Mothers CMX Ceramic Spray Coatings, cleaners, or polishes, you can click that info button to head over to Quadratec.com. Of course, if you have any comments or questions about any of the products or how to apply them to your Jeep, you can always leave those for me down in the comment section below or contact us directly at any of the options on the screen. Until next time, I'm Rob. I'll see you guys out on the trail. For now, I've got the rest of this Jeep to finish cleaning up.